Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. Today I want to talk about BudaCoin as well as how to get invested in the project. So real quickly, BudaCoin is a cryptocurrency that's paid to people who continuously practice their mindful education. All right, so this means if you meditate through our app or any of our other mindfulness practices, you'll be paid directly in BudaCoin. And the BudaCoin has a bunch of other cases. You can read the tokenomics to learn more about how the token is actually used. But our goal is to really bring incentivized mindfulness practices. So this way, people can change their lives and actually have incentive to better themselves. Because a lot of people want to make this change, it's just hard to keep going. And I'm sure a lot of you understand that. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can buy BudaCoin. So this is a little bit of a process, especially for newcomers, and I'm just going to walk you guys through it. All right. So if you want to watch out for scams, you need to make sure that your contract address is official. And that's why we've posted our contract address right here. And we've even given you guys a link to buy it directly from our website. Now, if you want to go to our website, it's BudaCoin.org. All right. So if we want to buy some BudaCoin, we should go ahead and click Buy Buda. And you can see we have the contract address here. Now, this doesn't really help us much, but the PancakeSwap link will do almost everything for us. So let's go ahead and click on that. So you'll see this import token interface. This is basically just saying that BudaCoin is not on the official lists of PancakeSwap and it can't verify us. But we can verify it because we've used the official contract from the BudaCoin website. So we're going to hit I understand and import. Perfect. So you'll see that we have this unlock wallet button here. If we click this and hit MetaMask, nothing's going to work. We don't have a provider. So that means we have to install a MetaMask extension into our browser. So real quickly, you can just Google search for MetaMask Chrome or Firefox, whichever you're using. I'm using Firefox, so of course I'm going to get this extension. Now what MetaMask is going to allow you to do is interact with Web3. And Web3 is what powers PancakeSwap. And this is how we're going to buy our BUDA token. So you'll see MetaMask in the top right, and you'll just get started to set up your wallet, assuming you don't have one already. And we're going to create a wallet, and you can opt in of MetaMask's privacy settings here. You also need to set a password. I'll set mine as the default suggested password. Never share this with anybody. This is how you unlock your wallet. So I know you guys saw that, so I'm definitely going to be deleting that. So it's going to give you instructions on how to back up everything, how to make sure all of your money is safe. I highly recommend reading all of this if this is your first time doing it. So I'm going to hit remind me later because this is a throwaway wallet. But now we can see that we have a wallet with $0 in it. Perfect. Now this is a little bit tricky, and if you are a newcomer, it might be a little bit difficult. But this is the Ethereum network, okay? This means that all of our money right now is on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, there's a separate blockchain called the Binance Smart Chain, okay? And it's a totally different blockchain, and MetaMask does not know about this blockchain at the moment. It only knows about Ethereum. So what we have to do is we have to add the Binance blockchain to MetaMask. Now, this is easy. You can just Google search Binance MetaMask, and there'll be a Binance.com link from their academy. And it'll tell you exactly how to add the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to click on our MetaMask. We're going to open this menu at the top up here. Custom RPC. And this is going to allow us to add the Binance Smart Chain network. So we're going to say Binance Smart Chain. They actually said Smart Chain. This name doesn't matter. But just to be consistent with their page, I'm going to name mine Smart Chain. We then type in the URL here, as well as the chain ID and the symbol. We can also give it the BSC scan link as the Block Explorer URL. And you can see these two fields are optional, but I would highly recommend them. They will help you in the future. So we can hit save, and MetaMask will verify that that's a legit network, and now it will have it added to our networks list. Perfect. So now we're on the Smart Chain network. We didn't even have to switch over to it, But if we ever want to switch back to Ethereum, we can just click on Ethereum here or Smart Chain here. It's all up to you. So now we need to get money into this account. You probably just created this account, and if not, then you might already have funds in there. But I need to send some funds to this account. So I'm going to copy this address and send over some funds from a dedicated wallet I have. I'm going to send over all of my BNB. And we should see it pop up here shortly. We can go ahead and close the MetaMask extension page. And we can also come back to PancakeSwap because now we should be able to unlock our wallet. So if we click on MetaMask, we may need to refresh the page here. Perfect. So now we can connect our MetaMask account. So if we hit next and connect, PancakeSwap knows we're using MetaMask and it knows where to find our funds. So you can see those funds actually came through. I have 0.25 BNB inside of my wallet now, and I can swap those over to BUDA. So by hitting max, it's going to swap over all of my BNB to as much BUDA as I can get. If you're new to crypto, here's a tip. You don't want to spend all of your BNB because you'll need some of it for a future transaction. Let's say if you want to sell the token. So what I'm going to do is get rid of just enough so that I'll have enough to cover another transaction fee after this one. So a transaction fee is typically 0.001 BNB. So I'm going to take this number here down to a 5. That way I'll have 0.004 left over for transactions that I may need in the future. So whenever I'm ready to spend this, I can hit swap and confirm swap. Now all of your transaction details are here if you want to verify that things are correct. You'll see we get an error, and this is unfortunate, but PancakeSwap is a bit finicky. We're going to do our best to make this more accessible for investors in the future, but for right now, we're going to remove a 0 right here on the second box and add it back. All right. Now this is just a small thing for PancakeSwap to understand the transaction. I'm not sure the technicalities of that specifically, but eventually we'll get this MetaMask transaction. And this is the final step, all right? Once you hit confirm, your transaction will be sent to the blockchain and you will have bought BudaCoin. So be very careful that you want to do this. So we're gonna hit confirm. And on this page right here, we can see that the transaction has been submitted. We can view it on BSC scan if we typed in the Block Explorer link whenever we were setting up MetaMask. And we can see right here, we've invested our money into BudaCoin. All right. You can also see that the transaction fee was 0.001. So it looks like we did good there. Another thing we can do is add BUDA to MetaMask. So if we click on this and add token, we can see how much BudaCoin we own straight from MetaMask. Right here. We can also send that or swap it straight through MetaMask. I don't recommend swapping through MetaMask, especially through the Binance Smart Chain network. I've never tested it. However, we'll be using PancakeSwap again right now to figure out how we can sell our BudaCoin because it's a little bit different. So we're going to hit the arrow in the middle to swap the places of our tokens. This way we can sell our BUDA for BNB instead of selling our BNB for BUDA. And we can hit the max button again. All right. So if we do the same steps, okay, we're going to get transfer failed. And if we add the 7 back, we're going to get this, okay? Again, this is unfortunate. PancakeSwap is very finicky. We're going to do our best to figure out how to improve this in the future. But if we hit max, we'll go ahead and approve BUDA. Essentially what this does is it tells PancakeSwap that they can spend our BUDA because there's security measures to make sure that PancakeSwap or whoever else can't just spend your tokens willy-nilly. You have to manually approve them. So we have to approve this one time, and then for the future, you'll never have to approve it again. So this transaction will take a few seconds, and PancakeSwap will take a few seconds to update. Perfect. And now we can swap again. So same issue. All right, so to fix this problem, we need to change our slippage tolerance. And that's in the settings menu up here, and we can just type in our slippage tolerance. I'll tell you right now, it's going to be 9%, but why is it 9%? So if we go back to our homepage and we go down to our tokenomics, you can see, okay, this video is being recorded at a very interesting time. We just changed this, it's not updated. But as of yesterday, 6% of every transaction is taxed, and this is our tokenomics. 2% goes to a charity wallet, 3% goes to a marketing wallet, and 1% goes to a liquidity pool. The charity and marketing wallet are pretty self-explanatory. The liquidity pool essentially allows people to trade BudaCoin far into the future. So this will continuously build with money as people trade. So at the moment, it's actually 9% because we've enabled token reflection, which means that you will actually earn BudaCoin simply by holding BudaCoin, okay? So this number will go up as time goes on. And so 3% of every transaction is taxed for that reason. So if we go back to PancakeSwap and type in 9%, we can then swap our BudaCoin for BNB. You can see MetaMask pops up again. And remember, this is the final step. So you want to be confident you're ready to do this whenever you're doing this. So I'm confident I want to sell my BudaCoin right now. So I'm going to hit confirm, and I'll have the exact same details. I can view this on BSC scan and see how the transaction is doing, and I can keep refreshing. It also auto refreshes, but I can always know where my transaction is. And whenever this transaction is done, it looks like my internet's being a bit slow. You'll see this go through in PancakeSwap. You'll see this MetaMask pop up, and we'll see that we have our BNB back in the wallet. You'll also see that you have some BUDA left over. It's just some change. It couldn't swap it all during that transaction. That's okay. We will continuously earn BUDA just by having this small amount, because no matter how much you have, you get some of that token reflection that I was talking about earlier. All right, I hope I covered everything. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for sticking around for this video. If you have any questions about BudaCoin, please check out our website. We have a roadmap, we have a Twitter, we have an Instagram, and if you have any questions, please reach out on Telegram. We are more than happy to answer any questions you may have about the token, the app, anything. It will be this link right here. It will take you to a link tree. My internet's being very slow right now, but you should be able to find it. Just join, download Telegram, create an account, and we'll be able to chat with you directly. Thank you so much. Peace out.